What's up, my June bugs? Welcome back to the channel where Junie B eats. Junie B eats. Junie B eats. Junie B eats. Y'all, what's up? What's going on? What's up? What's going on? If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Hit that like, hit that share, subscribe, and your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Y'all, what's up with my June bugs? I'm back again this week. Y'all, you know, I just heard about, look at that, Arby's, y'all. They got a new steak Wagyu burger. When I heard about it, I had to try it. I didn't even know they had a burger. A Facebook friend was talking about a Wagyu burger from Arby's, and I was like, what? Arby's got a Wagyu burger? Yeah, I tried the steak. Y'all, best steak experience I ever had. Oh my God. Yo, I ain't got no words. That's how that steak was bust. So I'm hoping this burger, this Wagyu burger from Arby's, is doing the same or giving the same or somewhat. Oh, I got my drink. My drink. A bottle of water, y'all. Go ahead and say my blessing. His name, amen. Amen, y'all. And I got my curly fry. Got to get the curly fry. I like their crinkle cuts too. But, you know, I had to get the curly, y'all. I had to get the curly. Dang, they was kind of busy. They had a line. But these fries, everybody must be getting crinkle cut. There ain't no way. I mean, they ain't warm, but they ain't hot. Let's see what this sandwich giving now. It's the deluxe. They got a deluxe and a bacon ranch, I think. Okay, y'all. This is what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. Y'all bite of that. It's got pickles on it, tomato, cheese, lettuce, some kind of sauce, a special sauce. Come with it, I guess. And some red onions, y'all. I'm about to get it this bite, though. Get it this bite. Y'all get a bite first. Go and get a bite of that. All right. See what it's about. Sorry, y'all. Definitely not like the steak. Definitely not like the steak. I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, the sauce on it kind of make think it tastes like it might got some horseradish in it. Something up. I mean, it's good, but it ain't nothing that I'll be like, oh, y'all got to go to Arby's and try that Wagyu steak burger. Y'all got, it's not, it ain't really giving that. But it's a burger. Definitely. I mean, it's a burger. It's a burger. Oh, look at that hell of a vibe. That one a curly fry. Let me try some of that curly fry. Oh, man. It ain't what I expected. I thought it was gonna be like, I thought it was gonna give. This tastes like an old regular deluxe burger. Now the meat, the Wagyu meat is like medium well. So if you somebody that don't like pink, or a little pink, but that's how the Wagyu is. Then if you don't like more pink or nothing, you don't need to get it. Let me show y'all. It's not pink, but now it is a tender patty. It is tender now. I'm hungry too, y'all. I just got back from getting my car service. No oil change, tire rotation. I'll be doggone. They said my battery was going dead. So I needed a new battery. And I'm like, I just got this car when February, March. I mean, it was used, but why my battery going out already? So I was like, let's go ahead and get a new battery. But I ain't expect to spend what I spent today on my car, but it's all good. I just thank God that I got it. Amen. Boy, the Rose is busy. It's busy. Ooh. That's the only thing about sauces and stuff. Yep, the Rose is busy. I think it's lunchtime, right? Yep. I'm tired too. Ooh, I work. Work don't be playing. I almost didn't make it up this morning to go get this stuff done. Right. Well, ain't nothing like water. Yep, the lobby closed. I seen that when I was driving through the drive-thru. You know how you look at the windows of the store? I seen the paper say, lobby closed, drive-thru open. People getting out, parking, walking up. This man, he walking to the Dairy Queen people. Come on, y'all lobby open? I don't even think that Dairy Queen got a lobby. I'm like, yeah, it's just a drive. Lord. Help me tripping. These fries, Arby fries don't taste like they used to. I should have asked for them fresh. Well, y'all, that was gave y'all my little review on the Wagyu burger. It was a good burger, but it wasn't nothing special. Like, stop what you're doing, run and go out and get it. But I thank everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe, y'all. Leave me a comment, too. With that being said, peace.